Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab Active3 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. Open first the Play Store app and in the search pull enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application, so tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Click to agree. Tap to enable in settings once again and click here to the switcher near green Apple keyboard. Tap to OK twice and just let's go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as to all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.